Hello, friends. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the wonderful world of indoor gardening and explore the secrets to successfully growing cacti in your very own indoor garden. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you've set up a dedicated space for your indoor cactus garden. Choose a spot with plenty of bright, indirect sunlight, like near a south facing window. Cacti love sunlight, but avoid placing them in direct, scorching rays. Now, let's talk about the right pot and soil for your cactus. Use well draining pots with drainage holes to prevent water from pooling at the roots. A mixture of regular garden soil and coarse sand will provide the perfect balance of nutrients and aeration for your cacti. When transplanting your cactus seedlings, be sure to handle them carefully, using gloves or a folded piece of newspaper to protect your hands from spines. Gently remove seedling from the old pot or outdoor garden, shake off excess soil, and place it in the new pot, filling in the sides with fresh soil. Watering is crucial for cacti, but they don't like to sit in soggy soil. Allow the soil to dry out between waterings. In the growing season, water about once every 2-3 weeks, and in the winter, reduce it to once a month. Always water at the base of the plant, avoiding the crown to prevent rot. Some cacti love humidity, especially during their growing season. To increase humidity around your cacti, mist them occasionally using a spray bottle. This is especially important if you live in a dry climate or during the winter months when indoor air tends to be drier. As your cactus grows, you may notice new pups or offsets forming around the base. These are baby cacti that can be propagated to create new plants. Simply wait until they are a reasonable size and carefully separate them from the mother plant using a clean, sharp knife. While cacti are relatively low maintenance, they still need some nutrients to thrive. During the growing season, spring and summer, use a balanced cactus fertilizer diluted to half strength and apply it every 4-6 weeks. Avoid fertilizing during the winter when they are in a dormant phase. Lastly, don't forget to shower your cacti with love and attention. Check them regularly for signs of pests or diseases and promptly address any issues. Rotate your cacti occasionally to ensure all sides get equal exposure to light. Remember, each cactus is unique, so observe and adapt to its specific needs. And there you have it, your ultimate guide to growing cacti in your indoor garden. With a little knowledge and tender loving care, these desert darlings will flourish and bring a touch of natural beauty to your home. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more plant care tips, and share your cactus success stories in the comments below. Happy gardening, and see you in the next video.